so much enjoyed this training, especially the cake aspect. Hey. After now, I'll put it into practice. So I'll make it at home, share to my family. My name is JONAPWD. I so much enjoyed all what we were taught there. We were taught different things and different ways to make it. I intend to start a business so that I can be making money.
My name is Charity.
Thank you.
I thank God for this thing that you learned. I'm very happy. I learned so much and I will try to do it.
We don't skip this.
Maybe before this month already ends. Maybe next month.
Oh, I thank God for this opportunity and thank you also for giving us this privilege.
Yeah.
I am so happy and glad to be here. Since yesterday and today we've learned so many things and I believe with God I will use very well. For me not to be as in depending on someone else or for like family if I could do something so much. So I'm glad I learned something. Thank you.
Okay. Good afternoon everybody. My name is Felicia. I thank God for making it possible for me to be among the people that came here to learn. I've learned a lot and I'm going to use it for business because already I do business. I'm going to add it to my business.
My name is Ogere. I'm looking to do that today. Yesterday and today I've learned something that I've not learned before. There's one thing that this lady taught us has special meat. I've not put that if I do something, I've not put that in the at least in that thing I can expand my business. And I'm going from that to the end of the day. I will put in my baking and I will not add it to my business. So I have tailoring business.
Good afternoon, my name is Activism and I'm very happy being a participant of their 15 days Activism and I learned a lot of things here. One of which, while we talked about violence against women and girls with disabilities, I was taught not to react violently or viciously at anyone who dares try harm me. I should at least complain, scream first. That's the first thing I should do before, so I don't get hurt. And then secondly, I also learned during the baking session, like seriously, I'm not giving to culinary skills. I'm not that nice with these things, but I've been able to learn a lot from here. And one thing I'm promising to do this X markers chin and diet. I'll let you do it.
My name is Angela Njoko. Before I've been playing around baking, but now I'm so happy that I've learned more things that I do not know how to do.
In a professional way.
Yes, and I promise to put it to you because I really need the skills. This is one skill. I love things about baking kitchen. I like playing around kitchen. I promise to really start up something and use it for business. That's why I do it to make money. Thank you.
UK Chimenem Favor. She said she already has a little idea about catering, but about baking. But here she has been able to learn more. She's a university student, and already she used to make some of these things to sell in the school. But here now she has learned extra things that she can add to her already existing business. And also she's also open to take contracts regarding baking.
That's nice. Thank you.
I enjoyed the training. I'm happy that you invited that person. God will continue to provide for you more and more.
Yeah.
And also for the rice. I appreciate. Thank you.
Yes, and I really love you too. Say no to violence. Thank you, Pete, for supporting women and girls with disabilities.
Let peace and harmony